Hello guys, only 9 students till now. It's appearing to 11:15. Hello, why you people don't have class in the morning? Whose class? Hello, hello class. Neeraj,
Yes, sure.
why only? See, now you are the 11th person to join. Somebody's mic is on, but Uday, why you people don't have the class in the morning? Hello?
Sir,
In the
HOD
morning class also only
mail,
few.
sir, HOD sent a mail saying there's no class till Monday, sir.
Okay. Fine. Whatever it is, I share a. I am going to session. Let them join later if they want. So I continue with the demonstration of the first lab experiment. I am sharing the screen. Uh, in the last class, we have seen some of the. We have seen schema of the library database. What you have as an exercise in the first lab. So after that, we have seen schema and ER notation also, ER model notation also, and then we try to create some of the tables. So I created a database called DBMS, and then I use the DBMS. So now, if you want to see the content of the DBMS database, guys, are you there? Am I audible?
Yes, sir.
Neeraj, I see. Okay. So if in the MySQL, that is MySQL, the command to see the contents of the particular database is show table. Show tables. So if you type show tables, it will show the contents of the tables already. Whatever that list of tables you have created in the database, so that list is going to be created. So 4 tables we have created: publisher, book authors, and library branch. And then we have some more tables to be created in the database, and then we have to relate the tables. So we just look into the next step, which table you are supposed to create. So we created till this create library branch, right? Then the next table should be created is book copies. So how many books are there in that particular branch? So the command for that I'm going to execute here, the book copies. Create table, book copies, number of copies, integer, book ID, int, its index, index BID of book ID, comma, and then branch ID, int, index, index BRID, branch ID, and we are going to make this book ID as a foreign key. We are going to take reference from the book, and then we are going to make another foreign key, that is branch ID, which is going to have a reference from the library branch. So library branch branch ID is referenced in the book copies. So just I try to create this table. So query is query okay, zero rows affected. So that means that this is created. So I just now describe this table. Desk uh, book underscore copies. So it's been created with two references having a branch ID reference from library branch and book ID reference from the book table. So next table to be created here is you can see in the database menu, the lab menu, uh, card, create table card. So if the student wants to lend the book, he needs to have a card, right? So any candidate or any customer of the library supposed to lend the book, that is borrow book, means he needs to have a card. So next table to be created is card. Create card number integer. So we have a table called card, which is going to contain only the card number, that is made as the card number as an attribute of integer type, and it's a so next we will see in the database flow which table we are supposed to create, that is book lending, that is borrower. Okay, so we will just take the command for book lending. So look at the command, create table book lending, date out is of type date and due date is of type date, and the book ID of integer. I created the index for this book ID and it's been made as a foreign key with references from the book ID. On delete cascade is used. I explained the scenario of on delete cascade. If you have a reference from one table to another table, the primary key which you are going to refer in the other table, the table which contains the primary key is becomes parent table and the referred table is becomes child table. If you have taken any values from the parent table to the child table, if you try to delete that particular value which you have referred in the child table, so the database is not going to allow to delete. So because it's been referred in the other table, so if you want to if even in that case also, if you want to delete, you can just use the command called on delete cascade, a function called on delete cascade, which is good. If you delete from the parent table, the same rows are how many values you referred in the child table, so the referring to that, all the tuples related to that particular value is deleted. On delete cascade these two tables, that is the meaning. Is it clear, Neeraj? Hello.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So again, a branch ID is also a foreign key, which is referred from the branch library branch. So where also, if you want to delete some branch from the parent table, you are supposed to use on delete cascade. So whenever you make a delete operation, both the tables are cascaded and deleted simultaneously from both the tables. That is what the meaning. I'll try to execute this. So there is some syntax error because I made all these things to be at the column level only. I'm supposed to make this foreign keys at the table level. I just changed this. Uh, So I changed the syntax to all foreign keys to the column level constraints. So I just now I'll just copy the same command. I have an error in the SQL syntax section and book ID of int. Book ID of book ID. Okay. Branch ID int and branch index branch ID of branch ID comma card number int index of ID card number int. Okay. Uh, so here that primary key pk underscore name of the when you are whenever you have to remember that whenever you are going to specify column level constraints, specifying the name of the constraint is very important because it goes to the table level. If at the column level you no need to specify the name of the constraint. If it is at the table level, at the end of the specification of all your attributes, if you specify the constraints, definitely you need to specify the constraint names. Okay, so what is the table? It is BL, book lending, PLD. I just give. So all these are all the columns which you are going to make it as a primary key in this table. So I just copy this command and place once again line number 1 branch ID int. It's showing the error at you have an error in SQL syntax. Check the manual that corresponds. Book ID of int INT.
ಸರ್ ಸರಿ ಕಾಪಿ ಮಾಡಿಲ್ಲ ಸರ್.
ಎಲ್ಲ ಕಾಪಿ ಮಾಡಿಲ್ವಾ? ಓಕೆ, ಇಲ್ಲಿಂದ ಅಲ್ವಾ? ವೆರಿ ಗುಡ್. ಕಾರ್ಡ್ ನಂಬರ್ index ID card or card number, primary key. Okay. 5. So once I go through this command, see, can you identify any errors? Create table, book lending. So there is an attribute called date out. It's of type date, comma, okay. Due date, date, comma. Book ID of type integer and its index, index IND of BID of book ID, comma, okay. Branch ID int, int BRID is the index name. Okay, here I missed index. Index INDBRID branch ID, okay, and card number int, comma, index ID card number, okay, and then for you we are making book ID as a foreign key, references from book ID, okay, foreign key. Now again we'll try to copy. Everything seems to be intact. References, branch, library, branch of branch ID and delete cascade at line number 7. Yeah, OREHN foreign key of branch ID, references, library of branch ID and delete cascade. Now syntax seems to be correct. Okay, once again I make this again and the other line to analyze. At line number 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9.
ನಿಮ್ಮ ಹೆಸರು ತಲೆ ಇತ್ತು ಶ್ರೀಧರ್ ಫೋನ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ಅಂತ ಸುಮ್ಮನೆ ಅಂತ ಟೈಪ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಫೋನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ ಯಾಕೆ ಶ್ರೀಧರ್ ಫೋನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ ಅಂತ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇಲ್ಲ
ಆಮೇಲೆ ನಾನು ಆಚೆ ಹೋದ್ನ ಸುಶ್ಮಾ ಮೇಡಮ್ ಹತ್ರ ಅವರು ಅದೇ ಕಾಫಿ ಹೋಗೋಣ ಅಂತ ಸೊ ಶ್ರೀಧರ್ ಹೇಳ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಬರ್ತೀನಿ ಹೋಗಿ ಹೋದೆ
ಅವನು ಬರಲಿಲ್ಲ
ಕಾಫಿಗೆ ಹೋಗಿ ಹೋದೆ ಡಿಪಾರ್ಟ್ಮೆಂಟ್ಗೆ ಇರ್ಲಿಲ್ಲ ಮತ್ತೆ ಒಳಗಡೆ ಇದಕ್ಕೆ ಹೋದೆ ಶ್ರೀಧರ್ಗೆ ಹೋಗಿದ್ದೇನಪ್ಪ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ನಾನು ಹೋಗೋಷ್ಟಕ್ಕೆ ಎಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ ಪ್ಯಾಕ್ ಆಗೋದು
ಎಲ್ಲ ಆಗಿತ್ತು ಲಾಸ್ಟಲ್ಲಿ ಫೋನ್ ಬಂತು ಇದು ಹೋಗೋದು ಫೋನ್ ಬಂದು ಮಾಡೋದು ಏನೋ ಸೇವ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕು ಸೇವ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕು ಅಂತ ಹೋಗಲೇ
ಅದೇ ಅಂದ ಹೋಗೋಷ್ಟಕ್ಕೆ ಎಲ್ಲ ಮುಗಿತು ಮೇಡಮ್ ಅದೆಲ್ಲ ಯಾಕೆ ಅಂದ್ಬಿಟ್ರು
ಅವ್ರು ತಂದಿದ್ರು ನಾವು ಸುಮ್ಮನೆ ಪವರ್
So we specify the primary keys first. Uh, just before this foreign key is going to start. Okay. Syntax manual at corresponding Oh, okay, guys. I just type in the same command. Okay. So create table book lending, right? Book underscore lending. See, this is the difficulty. Hello, guys. Hello, hello, hello. Am I audible? Can you able
Yes,
to
sir.
hear me? Yeah.
Yes, sir.
See, this is the difficulty with the DBMS softwares, which will show the errors but does not show the exact location, very similar to your programming languages. So what you are supposed to do is first to type in all the commands in your notepad. Okay. So then you people keep copying and pasting and executing it. Okay. So book lending, it starts with, what is that? We will follow the this syntax only, or the other syntax which we follow. So what are all the commands should be there in book lending? So okay, book ID should be there. So I start book ID, book underscore ID of type int, comma, we need to make this as a primary key, as well as this is supposed to be a foreign key. That's why I am supposed to create an index. So I create index, later I will make it as for a primary key. So index name should be there. So I use in notation ind underscore, it is BID, book ID. Okay. So book ID of which particular column I am creating index means that is nothing but book ID, book underscore ID. So the first column done, first attribute done. So second attribute, branch ID. So branch underscore ID of type again integer, comma. So this is again a referenced key. So we are supposed to have an index. So I create another index. Index IND is the notation I follow, underscore BRID. I write branch ID. It indicates of which particular column we are making. That is nothing but branch ID. So comma, second attribute over. Next column is card number. So how we give card number? One sec, I will see here. We created this card database, right? Create table card. Okay, card underscore number. So it is of type int again. Okay. Card underscore number of type int. So this is again a referenced one. So we are supposed to have an index. So index ind, ind cr id, okay, card id of this card number. So then we have the column date out, date underscore out of type date, comma, then due date. Due date of type again date, comma. So now we are supposed to make all these as foreign keys. So like book ID, branch ID, and card number, we have to make foreign keys. I just, okay, I'll type in. Foreign key. Foreign key of which particular this one. So that is book ID. Book ID. Book ID, which references so book ID, the function to be used as on delete cascade, comma. Next we are supposed to make another foreign key. So which one? Branch ID, right? Branch ID. So we should have a reference from references library branch, right? Library branch of branch ID. So on delete cascade. Done. So next foreign key is of odd number, right? Odd number references card of odd number. On delete cascade. So, and finally, we have to make all these as primary keys: book ID, branch ID, and card number. So I make.
So cascade is spelling wrong, sir.
Which one, pa?
Previous. Really.
Spelling mistake. Where it is? Hello? Pardon?
Previous line, sir.
Foreign key, card number, references, card number, on delete. Okay, cascade, right? It is. Okay. ಇದರಲ್ಲಿ ಇದೆ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ಹೋಗಲ್ಲ ಹಿಂದೆ. ಓಕೆ ಮಾಡೋಣ ಇರು. ಫೈನ್. ಪ್ರೈಮರಿ ಕೀ, ಆಫ್ ಯಾವುದಪ್ಪ, ಬುಕ್ ಐ ಡಿ, ಕಾಮ, ಬ್ರಾಂಚ್ ಐ ಡಿ, ಕಾಮ, ಕಾರ್ಡ್ ನಂಬರ್. ಸೊ ಇದು ಕ್ಯಾಸ್ಕೇಡ್ ಒಂದ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಇನ್ನೆಲ್ಲ ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಅಲ್ವೇನಪ್ಪ? ಜಸ್ಟ್ ಕಾಪಿ ದಿಸ್ ಫಸ್ಟ್.
Yes, sir.
One second. ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಏನೋ ಈಗ?
Yes, sir.
Line number 2, index IND, branch ID ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಆಗಿದೆಯಲ್ಲ? Type library underscore branch. ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಆಗಿದೆ. CIRD ಅಂತಿದೆ ಕಣ, ಕಾರ್ಡ್ ಅಂತಿಲ್ಲ ಇಲ್ಲೆಲ್ಲ ನೋಡ್ರ. ಎಲ್ಲಾದ್ರೂ CIRD ಅಂತ ಹಾಕಿದ್ದೀನೇನಾ? ಕಾರ್ಡ್ ನಂಬರು, ಕಾರ್ಡ್ ನಂಬರ್ 8, ಇಂಡೆಕ್ಸ್ IND, ಕಾರ್ಡ್ ID
CRD ಅಂತ ಹಾಕಿದ್ದೀರಿ.
ಅಲ್ಲ, ಅದು ಇಟ್ಸ್ ಎ ನೇಮ್ ಆಫ್ ದ ಕನ್ಸ್ಟ್ರೈಂಟ್. ಸಾರಿ, ಇಂಡೆಕ್ಸ್. ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ನಾಟ್ ಎ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್. I just go through the command here. Create table, book lending, book ID of int, index, find, branch ID, int, comma, index IND, branch ID, okay, card number, int, index IND, CRID of card number, date, out, date, due date, class, sir. Due date, foreign key of book ID, references, book of book ID, undelete cascade, foreign key of branch ID, references, library branch of branch ID, undelete cascade, foreign key, card number, references, card number, undelete cascade, card of card number, undelete cascade, comma, primary key. Correct agidiyalla? It's correct only. Now this syntax is intact. We'll just see once again. MySQL, you have an error at your SQL syntax. Check the manual that corresponded to the branch ID. PRANCH branch ID. In the branch table also it is library branch. Where is that? Okay, create table library branch. It is branch ID only. Whether it needs to be in capital or what? Okay, I'll just change all these to caps.
Sir, previous query exit ಮಾಡಿ sir.
Ida, Ida.
అది previous query sir ಮಾಡಿರೋದು.
Ittane, this one you are
yes
talking
sir,
about.
ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಎಸ್ ಸರ್, ಅದು ರೌಂಡ್ ಬೇಸಸ್ ಕ್ಲೋಸ್ ಮಾಡಿಲ್ಲ ಸರ್ ಲಾಸ್ಟ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ.
ಇಲ್ಲಲ್ಲ.
ಅದೇ ಅನ್ಸುತ್ತೆ ಸರ್ ಸಿಂಟ್ಯಾಕ್ಸ್ ಎರರ್.
Okay,
ಟ್ರೈ ಮಾಡಿ ನೋಡಿ ಸರ್.
Yes, thank you, Pa. Who is this?
ಎಸ್ ಮುತ್ತು ಸರ್.
Muttu. Okay, Pa. Done. So now all of our library tables is created. We will try to describe how many tables we have created from the beginning. Okay. First, I'll describe which table we created. Publisher, right?
ಎಸ್ ಸರ್.
So describe publisher. Publisher is done. Then describe which one? Book, right? Book we created. So book is done, and then we created book authors. So describe book underscore authors. So 3 tables over. After that, we created library branch. So describe library branch. So that is also done. And then we created card, I think, right? So describe card, or we created book copies. Book copies. Hello. After that, card. Okay. Book copies, and then we created card. So finally, we created book lending. So now all the tables are created. For your reference, I'm just going to share one photo in the WhatsApp. Just go through it with all the relations. So after the book copies, we created a card table with card number integer. Card number as integer, and it is a primary key. Okay, fine. That is referenced here. So guys, just look at into the schema diagram for the library branch I shared in the WhatsApp group, fifth semester online classes group. Just check it. Have you got? Hello, guys?
Yes, sir.
Hello. Okay. So now we have created all the tables of the library branch. Then we have to continue with the inserting, that is populating data into these tables. So after populating data into these tables, we have to execute the set of queries that I have mentioned in the question. Okay. So now you people are cleared with all these things, like all the commands to create and all. No problem, right? Now you people are understanding what will be the flow of creating data tables in the databases and all. How do you analyze schema, what they are going to give? Hello, is it clear, guys?
Yes, sir.
So it's already 11:56. Department people are calling for puja. So this is the end of the class. I will take attendance. Only 14 people are present. I'll just take a photo and wait, I'll take a photo of the attendance.
ಸರ್
Yeah,
ಸರ್ ಅದು ಟೇಬಲ್ಸ್ ಕ್ರಿಯೇಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದಿರಲ್ಲ ಸರ್ ಅದು ಫೋಟೋ ಕಳಿಸಿ ಸರ್.
ಇದ್ದಾನೆ. ನೋಟ್ ಪ್ಯಾಡ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಮಾಡಿರೋದು.
ಎಸ್ ಸರ್ ಎಸ್ ಸರ್.
ನೋಟ್ ಪ್ಯಾಡ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಮಾಡಿರೋದಲ್ವಾ? ಓಕೆ, ಐ ಜಸ್ಟ್ ಡಿಲೀಟ್ ದಿಸ್. I'll share this in the. Shall I share this in the mail?
ಎಸ್ ಸರ್ ಎಸ್ ಸರ್.
No, photo barla. Okay, I'll share this file in the mail. Okay.
ಓಕೆ ಓಕೆ ಸರ್.
Okay. After the class, I'll share it. Okay, fine. So in the next class, we will see how to insert values into these tables, and then I will try to execute all those queries. Okay. Fine, guys.
Yes, sir.
Okay. You people can quit the meeting.